Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to create stunning Instagram highlight covers using Canva. First, open Canva and search for Instagram story templates. You'll want to select a blank canvas to begin your custom design. Then, choose a background color or image that perfectly aligns with your brand's aesthetic. This initial step sets the foundation for a cohesive look. Now, let's focus on the visual element. Add a relevant icon or graphic that clearly represents your highlight category. Canva offers a vast element library, providing thousands of options to choose from. Take your time to find the perfect visual. Remember, your chosen icon should be clear and easily recognizable, even at a small size, to effectively communicate your content. Next, consider adding text if it enhances your cover, always using a clear, legible font. It's crucial to maintain consistent branding with your overall Instagram aesthetic, ensuring a cohesive look across your profile. Carefully adjust the sizes and positions of all elements for a perfectly balanced and visually appealing layout. Aim for simplicity and impact. Finally, it's time to get your beautiful new cover onto Instagram. Download your finished highlight cover as a high-quality PNG or JPG file to ensure clarity. Then, open Instagram, go to your story highlights, and select Edit Cover. Choose your new custom design from your phone's gallery. Your profile will instantly look more polished and professional.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.